Alright guys, so check this out. Today, we're going to have a chemical reaction. Okay? In a very few couple weeks, I'm going to talk to you about the periodic tables. I'm going to talk a little bit about chemistry, how things come together. Now, this is a very, very nice thing because everything is made out of atoms, molecules. They come together and boom, and cool things happen or dangerous things happen. So today we're going to do the smaller scale version. Then we're going to do a part 2 to the experiment. We'll do a larger scale version. Okay? And let's see what happens. I've never done this before. So, okay? So what we have here, what is this here?
Yeast.
This is X. What is this?
Yeast.
Yeast?
And water.
And water. And what do you need the yeast and water for? Oh, this is the catalyst.
Yep.
This is the enzyme. Right? So here we have an enzyme, okay, that is going to help us break down hydrogen peroxide, right? Hydrogen peroxide is a combination of hydrogen and oxide, okay, and we're gonna put it on we're gonna make this on a molecule, which we have here, okay. This is the hydrogen peroxide. This is what you find in your cabinet when you have a cut and you want to kill the bacteria around the cut, right? You put a little bit of hydrogen peroxide. You see the white bubbly things happen, right? So this here, when mixed with this, right, and this is an enzyme that we have in our bodies, right, should break down the hydrogen and the oxygen, separated, right? So one is going to be water and the other one's going to make a gas. Now how are we going to see the gas? So how are we going to see the actual reaction? Well, we're going to put some soap so that when the oxygen gets up, it tries to break out, the soap will catch the oxygen, and it's going to create this magic toothpaste effect. Now this is 3% hydrogen peroxide, correct?
Yes.
How do you know? You don't even know. I'm asking because you, correct? That's the one in the cabinet. So I'm going to order 30% oxygen peroxide. We're going to do it from a distance. It gets pretty crazy then. We're going to do the small version first. Ready? Let's put some soap. Like that?
Maybe a little bit more, just a tiny bit.
There's a parent.
No parents allowed. Cecilia, get out of here.
That's good.
Oh, come on.
You're doing science parents. Parents are not allowed. They can watch it on YouTube.
Dang it.
You can wait 1 minute, Cecilia. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. Enzyme, hydrogen peroxide, and then I swirl it when it happens, right?
The white, the bottle, yes.
Oh!
That's good.
Oh! Look at that! Look at that foaming solution. It's beautiful. Oh, we need to do this at a bigger level. Oh, it's warm. Oh my God! I can't pull it. Now my both hands are stuck, and it just keeps going. Oh, it never ends. I can't. Cause you'll pull my. I need somebody to pull this in. I can't. It's stuck. It's stuck.
Really?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Whoa. Well, to be completely honest, I don't know if this was safe to put in my hands. Yeah, it was safe. It was safe. Wow, look at this.
That feels so nice. That was so satisfying.
You sure it's safe?
Feel that now. What are you speaking? Yeah, that's supposed to be shaken. This is another way to make sure you
This has been Roberto Travas, one more time, reporting for Team Third Law, Naples After School Academy. You want to see the bigger version next time?
Yeah!
This has been Roberto Travas for Team Third Law Academy, Naples After School Academy. See you guys next time.